Oh, thank you, Joseph. Mashangane. Unjani, Joseph. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Happy Friday, Bangan, ma'am. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, my friends. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap the screen. Spong the sawbone unjan. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap the screen and share the live. Ni grand go to Bangan Mama pause. Bangan Mama tank. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, no one is tapping the screen, Kosiam. Guys, don't get us tap the screen and share the live. Makacheni sawbone unjan. Happy building, how are you? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap the screen and share the live. Can you all tap the screen and share the live, guys? Can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, nyankela boto sawbona 88. Guys, ngala sonke tap the screen and share the live. Esilia, how are you? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, ngala sonke tap the screen. At least single 5K ama likes. Matina mingisha. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Zanele sawbona unjani? Impendulo sawbona unjani? Guys, sonke tap the screen and share the live. Maprinko hello hi. Abongile sawbona. Soul morning sistando hello hi. Guys, ngala sonke tap the screen and share the live cause let's all check. Ngiyabonga for joining my live. Happy Friday bangani bami. Ngithemba ni grand ni fresh ni mnandi ni tango. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, sonke tap the screen share live. Guys, thank you for tapping the screen nkosi yami. Nkosi thethile sawubona James ngiyabonga Masithole, good morning, how are you? Happy building kuningi nkosi yami, kuningi shemshengu. Ngizokufollowa Mama K, hello hi, how are you? Guys, can you all tap? Ngiyabonga for joining my live. Thank you for tapping. Ni grand kodwa bangani bamadango. Abangani bamapoza, abangani bamapoza. Guys, can you all tap uhle?
Savannah, like,
Hi Noxis.
how are you?
I'm good and yourself angisakwazi. Royal sawubona, Zakaria
Ngiyabonga.
sawubona.
Ngicela ufake uvimi bekathi uyo-restart. Ngicela um-add.
Okay, Mathi, hello hi, how are you? Angimboni la kimi.
Wait. Let me see.
Commentile 2 years.
Oh, ceda ukhomenta manje.
Uthi yes. Sikulinde noma sidlala igame eyi-1. Umuntu
Ah,
akanasmoke Nkosi yami. Hey. I
anginaso
don't
mina
have
cellphone.
tutu Noxi. Anginantutu.
Kubi kuthi sonke mfethu.
Manje masovela ngathi ighost. Hey, nena ekuthala amalanga.
Ah, mfethu mina ngi-8. I can show you why I'm doing that.
All right. I understand. I understand. I understand.
It's because of that. I can't really show my background.
All right. All right. Okay, right. I understand. Uzimi nenetwork yakatemu.
Oh, besidlala nenye intombazana manje.
Sawubona njalo.
No, Kenlin, why are you coming after we were disrespected this much, Mara?
Yo,
My
that
God.
girl was disrespecting us. She's saying we are weak.
Yo. Waze wahlanganisa sawu-2 noNoxi and still
I can't play with weak people.
Bani lo onesibindi?
Where is she?
Bani lo onesibindi?
Yeah?
Where is she?
Phambili.
Hey, ngiyazama goti mfethu nje yami. Ngiyazama goti. Royal.
Manje message mama kasho. I done
Guys, okay,
someone
let's
was
finish right now. Ati sihleli ndawonye. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't can tap the screen and share in live. Let's all tap the screen, share the live. Let's all tap the screen.
You don't wanna know. You don't wanna know.
Ah man, let it slide. It happened. Usigezele ugele.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, first keep on the tab too.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, Adonis.
Let it
Thinking abanye
slide.
abantu ngaba entertainers bazokumoshela usuku, yabo?
Ah,
Waba
vele,
entertain-
mina ngimtshela ukuthi she shouldn't.
Bazokumoshela ilanga.
Honestly.
And it's Friday today, mfethu.
But you must teach other people a lesson. Must teach them a lesson.
Ah, no, it's not worth it.
That is not as far as Usazomlanda mina.
Manje uzomlanda umlwise.
Ngomlanda sidlale. Ngisho ukuthi asidlale best of 5 or best of 10 or whatever.
She doesn't have smoke cocktail. She was lucky today. She doesn't usually have smoke. I know her. And
Guys, can you all
Jabeli
tap the screen and share the live?
that's why she was so jumpy and so excited. Ati uthe siyintoni konje? Uthe siyini konje? Hey, ati singama toddlers.
Ama-toddlers aphuzisa avana Nkosi yami. Hey.
Guys, ubani manje isikhathi match. Okay, I'll be back. I'm coming. Shela phela saza ngcono.
Guys, can you all tap?
Qala phela mina ngi-live.
Hi. She's invigilating. She's busy. You wanna give her?
Guys, ngicela sonke tapping screen share in live. Guys, no one is tapping the screen. Why are you not tapping the screen?
Nothing. I don't know. That is toddlers, cabanga. Toddlers. Look at these toddlers. Like they're wasting my time.
We awuyanjwayela. Ingani le bemkhulumisa kangaka?
Beka ku 600 cabanga.
Ha. Less than
600
1,000.
thina siku 3 uzime ku 0.
Mawungazubiza abantu ama-toddlers nge-600.
Fit.
Hawu.
Mayiceda uzime ne uthe uzimi ngihamba mina ngiyorestart and ngiyakufuna uphumile manje ku-live. You can put it here.
Ngeswani kuphela sengaze khuluma imsindo ongaka ayi ngeke.
What is the topic?
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, sonke na step screen share and live. Guys, ni freezile or nenze njani lapho? Ni freezile or nenze njani?
Abantu bakho. And you had like 50 something viewers man check.
Mina mangicheka he had 181.
Awu okay.
Manje awumaso uthuna usofuna ukukhuluma uDota I know you. Ngizakunyela njengalo sisi ubaleke, imbaleke mina.
Hayi mina nawe uyazi sibambana ngama-call ke. Yayazi siyakhavulana mina.
Yiza manje nikeza uNoxindaba, izuNox uhleka kamnandi njani? Hey Nox.
Hayi mina ngifuna uthetha nix mina nenyama embi mina ingajika nami yonke lento.
Yabo.
Imaki nimthathele ekhanda ulakhe.
Ulakhe mina ndimthathele ekhanda vele.
Hayi mina ngimxolela la awazi sixabana njani nolakhe. Yo.
Inkinga la nina ma streamers nina ma backroom yabo. Manje la ma backroom wena hey. Hayi. Anzima kakhulu Nkosi yami. Hey, ungakhulunywa something zimi sohlangana ku backroom. Soyazi uthe kuyoshukwa ke lapho.
Why should I, Thunder? What? Give me a reason. Why should I do that? Why should I do that? Why should I bring my badge to live? Like, why should I ungrade my badge when I'm this smokeless?
Guys, thank you for checking the screen, guys. Can you guys join us?
My badge will stop being grey the day I have smoke. For now, let it remain that way.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share? Mposa ubona unjani? Guys, first gift ne. Can you all tap the screen and share the live? Yes, zimi mangidlala nawe izolo ne. Kugeze endlini enkulu. Yabo? Makugezi sobalela. Ay. Ena ngapha nyasho uthi SS. Sawubona mta, yabo uzimi nangapha SS phela ihambe ngikushaya ngiyasho uthi mhlawumbe usele wasnipe. Mangibuye
bewungishaya. Ufake isifilter.
Endomaphuzani bakathengi ngisasela. Ngiyasho ukuthi we nthe mangibuya. Nawe angazi wenzeni kanti wena? Ungahleki akuhlekisi.
Yazi kwenzeke no.
Kuhamba wajayivisa ucheese ne. Hamba wajayivisa ucheese ku panel. Ngiyakwazi.
Ucheese
awulihle mayikhona wayo.
Sis Malindi, I miss you.
Awubona lihle mayikhona. I miss you nami lihle Nkosi yami I miss you.
Hamba sikhweneni.
Aw Nkosi yami Zimi.
How?
Yazi ngixelele this question that I've always been like I get this question all the time.
Guys, can you
again this question?
Guys, tell 10 yama rose nomi Rosato activate the speed. 10 yama rose nomi Rosato.
Why is your bed grey and you are even on
thank you.
What happened?
Guys, 5 more roses. Thank you, Lihle, my queen. Thank you, Lihle. Thank you. All right, go to Nkosi yami. Thank you for activating the speed for me, my queen of the queen. Iqueen yami ebengiyibonga sengiqedile.
Usisilindi uthi ndikubulise tata ka cheese. Hi Enzo.
Akaze kimi. Angifuni umuntu lokathunyelwa ngathi iphuni.
Mamelani ke bantu bakaNox. Yeka nobuza naNox. Indaba yakhe yebadge grey it's a personal choice. Xa efuna uza active. Right number 1.
Guys on the speed, guys on the triples.
Akekho umuntu ozohlala ku A League guys. Into yama league ehlala apha kwa TikTok.
And then now they don't understand.
Thank you, Lihle, my queen. Nkosi yami, guys, sonke on the triples, Nkosi yami. Hey, sonke on the time. Thank you so my queen friend.
into engekhoyo wena
Thank you Lehle. Thank you my queen Nkosi yami. So nguwe wethu yazini. Kuningi. Kuningi she. Guys, everyone on the triples Nkosi yami.
Are we playing a punishment game?
Hey, mina ngisho next. Ooh, Lihle, my queen, my queen of the queens. Thank you. Hey, Lihle, uzalaki mine. Uthi hey galera miyahawulisa inyama kanti wazi kahle. Hey Lihle wena isigebengu wena. Ufika kimi uthi galera yami hey inyama. Awunyeza lapho unyabona hey galera Nkosi yami hey kumhlophetwa. Mara hey esilonga ugrand mngani wami mfethu hey ayami kubi. Hayi kubi Nkosi yami. Hayi le viki vele sengivumile. Banjalo abantu mabeholile. Hayi phela mina nawe sakhuluma ekseni Lihle ne. Masiceda ukukhuluma ekseni ntambama nyangena nguthola yile sikhathi nguthola ukuphanela ngazi bo ukuphi. Orobo sanobabana. Hawu nyafika nyayicheka lapho nyasho uthi hey awuthi ishiyo kuncane nami ngihambe noma lo muntu engekho. Siyambongela uLihle Nkosi yami. Usase busy nyana or a network inangazi.
Yeah, no, that's true wena Thanda.
Ngiyabonga kodwa Lihle yezwa. Forever wena muntu uzezwa. Hey wena uNox inyama izosala nawe uNox. uNox uyena oyinkinga ngabe uNox ngathi lalela uNox i-main problem i-main switch ngimzwathi waqala ukukhuluma wena yabo uNox akazi ukuthi mina nawe yabo oh right Lihle network ne yakademo hey wena Lihle my queen Nkosi yami hey
my queen
yeah musa ngithi queen yase housing she is my queen in the house. Thank you Lihle. Angithi nani nama king namanini nibiza abo king. Thank you my king siyathula mara thina ma city queen kuba inking. Awu forever wena my queen yezwa. uNox inkinga.
Lala uLihle shem yabona namhlanje uLihle uzoba isoporo.
Nizomucha nyani.
Lesifaka lokho.
Hayi nizomucha nyani Nkosi yami nizomucha. uNox is the main switch. Guys, can you all ngiyabonga guys to everyone who was tapping the screen. Guys, ngicela siqhubeke ngisiphe.
Sorry phone yami is active.
Guys,
Lihle kaloku follow iqhatsho mi. Make unfollow uyikhaphe nge-TikTok universe. Yabona?
Hey, guys, first keep 20 times so. Oh, thank you upcoming Nkosi yami ngiyabonga upcoming ye-TikTok side. Ooh. Thank you. Vuvulishen Nkosi yami. Vuvulishen the Vuvulicious. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, first keep 20 times.
Emnandi kulathi like akusemnandi kuwe.
Hayi energy phela akusimnandi energy nge-24 Nkosi yami. Uningayenzi.
Ngakhaphe wena like.
Nge-24. Mina nethi just i-energy nje kuphela mfethu akukho okutheni ngoba sengafunda ukuthi energy always no matter uyawina yadliwa mabe kuthulisile bakuthulisile. Maya bona lokho Lihle sengiqoshulile manje sekahambile nabo.
Uzonibuza imibuzo apho Lihle. Uzoniquestion.
Question nini tu mina as long imibuzo yakho nangayiboni is fine.
Andikhali Lihle ntombi. Ngiyancoma.
Awukhali uthetha inyani buyakhala mfundini.
Ngikutshelile ngathi uNox uyinkinga zimi yamuzwa. Uyena kuphela ispeaker. Thank you guys, can you have a rose? Thank you Lolo. Ngiyabonga Lolo Nkosi yami.
Kunini bethi
ngiyabonga Lolo Vuvulishen, thank you. Vuvulishen with the friendship nihle. Ngicela nihlukane noLihle Nkosi yami nimekelene. Yabo. Let live Lihle yalo. Nox wena thula uthi du. Yabo.
Mayenzeni ke?
Thula uthi du nyekela uLihle Nkosi yami nimekelene. Guys on the speed ne. Guys everyone on the time too.
Yaqala
Oh,
ufika
thank you,
100.
Vuvulishan. Thank you, Vuvulishan. Thank you.
I'll
Thank you,
catch me
Vuvu, them roses. Guys, on the times two, on the doubles.
Mara like ngeke urase kakhulu kangaka phezu kwe-$100 million yami, like it doesn't make sense.
Ah, relax, Uncle Sam. Relax. Relax. Noxy. Thank you, Lisha, my queen. Yes. Thank you, Lisha. Relax. Guys, Donald
So
is
much.
speaking and 300. Yeah. Bazogcina bethi ye kwatsho kwacima. Thank you, Lihlezwa. Thank you, Vuvulisha and Lolo. Thank you to everyone who is tapping the screen for us. Let's keep on tapping. Let's keep on sharing. Ooh, thank you. Nge perfume, cause I'm the one and only Lihle, my queen.
Yes.
Eh?
Ukurestart akuncedile.
Mntazi. Hayi
Thank you, Kat.
oh no, bengebe ku-0 apha naba no-DK bakhona at least andikho ku-0.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Thank you for tapping, guys. Thank you for tapping, guys. Ngiyabonga to everyone who is tapping. Ne? Thank you. Injalo Lihle Nkosi yami yazini kuningi.
Ulihle kayekusihleba lapha. Kayekusihleba ulihle lapha.
Akahlebi
Makaye kuthetha ngamagama ethu ulihle.
ngena nge-backup angithi une-backup zimi ngena nge-backup angithi lena ulihle akakhulumi ngegama alikho igama lalo umuntu ngena
Siyayazi
nge-backup
ukuthi ungquini-ke, siyazi ukuthi ungquini-ke, ungasihleki.
ngena nge-backup zimi ngena nge-backup nina ninazi nikhola ubona ulihle akanasikhathi sokuhleba nabantu akanazo uyazihlekela nje nethi mina ngiyazi ngoba nithanda izinto uthe ceda kuhleka ngathi kunjalo lihle bese nina nacabanga ukuthi wo kukhunywa ngena nge-backup no ngoba ngiyanazi nithanda izinto uma niwafaka ama-emoji ahlekayo bese ngathi yebo kunjalo lihle bese hey angakhulumi ngathi iya le nge-backup
Manje wena like wayembiza my queen ulihle.
how yi-queen of the house angithi nani nabo my king relaxani
Ngaye kuba yi-queen of the house lapho because nami bengibizwa queen of the house. Angilethe igalaxy ngesinye isikhathi ngathi my queen. Ya-expire vele.
nini Noxy
Ya-expire-ka vele.
nini
Nami mangiye lapha nokusingidlula ngiphethe something bathi the one and only.
hey abantu banabanga lapha mara ingqondo zenu ngizibhekile khululekani ngizibhekile
Hayi banithetha inyani wathi uthi awuqala ukuthi liyi-one and only.
Guys,
Mina.
alifakeni umuntu wesifo.
nginibhekile ingqondo zenu akunanto angifuna ungicabanisa nolihle is fine qhubekani and the more nenza so the more nibaseli nifaka amaparafini namadizili niyathela lapha nilanda ney'nkundla zasemngcwabeni ezideke hhayi lezi ezokubambisa umlilo kubra lezi zasemngcwabeni
Mntasi uzawufaka bani zakho bani?
hhayi jama mpaka untokozo angazi uzobuya na yorubhizi
Hey Tyler, how are you? How are you?
kokethu uhlekani ukulevel 0
Thank you so much for the hug.
Hayi ngoba kube ku-level 0 akafanelanga ahleke omnye umntana.
uhlekani kayifuna nomunye umuntu Nkosi yami ngathi akafuni ukuthi akafuni ukuyimvayita
Isilathi. Yo, hayi shame.
Tloga ko green screen. Tloga ke green screen.
Eish,
Tloga
Joe,
ko
tata
green
gore
screen.
Sizodlala kanjani i-punishment game no-famous ekuyi-green screen?
Lethala punishment then.
Iyadifisa.
Yo. When you're punish, guys, mara moto guys, I'll tell you guys. Since that I told me the green screening, guys. Lona nanditi.
Bekethu ofeka yini
Wa guys. Lona lesha, guys.
guys
None
can
what
watch
to
the
do.
screen and share the live ne guys don't get us tap the screen and share in live guys first keep 20 times 2
What kind of punishment, guys?
Feel
Ke batla
time.
o swime mo fatshe ka fish oil. Tshele fish oil mo fatshe.
Hawu, ari dala ka cruzana.
Yo,
Stunya papa. Tanko Cortesi. Thank you, Cortesi.
Cortez mal. Ay,
Thank you,
which
Cortesi.
filter are we putting famous ke?
Akithi Cortesi ba berekise filter thing. Or Lucas ya na di filter ke di guys.
Uzulaki phela ipartner yakho.
kani
Mara
nifaka
zini
amathini
ngizokwazi uyitshintsha ifilter. Angizokwazi utshintsha ifilter ngazi. Afaka ngo.
wena bese wenzani uhlala uyighost
Sawufela izono
bese wena
zakho
uhlala
mna.
uyighost
Mina ngizasuka ekhemereni guys. Like honestly, I cannot expose my background when I was in it. It's not nice.
Yeah, or latam fish oil,
Umsebenzini
guys.
mos.
Latam fish oil, guys.
Hayi,
Hey.
there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with that background.
hayi ngcono bethule once ngoba kuyafana sebeharasa ngapha badliwe ngcono bethule
Mara ukuthula kubuhlungu guys. Ukuthula
ya
kubuhlungu.
kungcono nithule ngoba ufilter niyaphikisana yabo uzimiyeka afake ifilter ayi-1 wena uvele njengespoki
Ngizawuthula okokoko.
angeke uthule okokoko angithi bayeza abantu benu sazosithulisa naye
Batho ngikupha litlonte phela nka di-backup tsa lona.
Thank you, Sis Malindi. Thank you.
Masithule simo niyathetha.
Cortesi.
unjalo uzime unjalo
Akalebo jo Cortesi.
guys can all take the thing inside the life wena uzenza iclever wena ungangitsheli ngabo I woke up late nayizolo la ngithe mangena wena mngani what are you doing this here why you doing wenza ngathi ujoviwe namhlanje wena buka isikhathi bani manje wenza ngathi ujoviwe wewe ngathi relaxa moya phansi guys can you all tap the screen and share the live
Guys, please check, guys. Guys, lava na MVP, guys. Mtu ana sniper lo tsamile, guys. Ro bona matata.
muthu waka malindi muthu waka my one and only Muntuza yeah my one and only boss
Phela mina ngiyangiyeka ngihlale ku-0 vele.
hayi lala akunankinga mngani wami lala nkosi yami akunankinga akunankinga sho ukuthi unemali eningi ngicela ungishaye nge-lion lapho or ungishaye ngehendathi
Phela mina ungiyeka ku-0.
uright mara malindi nkosi yami malindi yazi nongivane ngikukhumbule nkosi yami mara awuvela vele
Insane stage. Bishop man.
yo hayi muntu guys can you all tap the screen and share the live
Carlos Avanale. Tinga man.
guys can you all tap the screen and share the live
Happy Fridays, please.
Askisa I'm sorry hayi ulika sawubona njani menito ebathi jayiva ngamabomu
Thank Scooty for that, me boy. Thank you, Donna. When it's called the fly, I'm fun. More like thing, more than one. 6 hot limit point. This is what limit point.
efema smoke sa hao sela utlo tsamali sona waya oro ke smoke sa no fela
Wa motang giftileng o tsamaile mohotsi.
ke tsiba di smoke tsa 1k game to ma fitlela ifela ke sa once off ke sa viewers
Ya, mohotsi ya ka. Nete ke show mothola nana no re ke dlala le motho mong ka tjeko e mabana lampane sha. Nna ke mogadile jo e mothola jo. Yes.
guys thank you for tapping the screen Nkosi yami
Hayi, that's all right. Guys, can you all tap this one?
Guys, can you
Che
all
ra mo
tap?
tsi before ba rena metsa ka nne ka itse ba tlo rena metsa phela le mo tseleng e re ntse re tla.
I'll take this play, please.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
Guys,
Guys,
just
let's
tap
all
and
tap.
share.
No more gonna gift, guys. As long you are tapping the screen, yes, vela ma coins zokhipha abangani benu nibathanda kakhulu. Lani zodisha kodwa ngicela ni tap screen.
No ke apara wa bona ke tshwenya.
Mara like
Ngiyaphila
this goes good.
phela ngisabi umuntu angikolodi umuntu. Yabo. Umuntu uyafika la ngu-level 5 ahlale bese mawufika hawu mbona menyezwa le famous phezu kwabo yeba yabo obvious ama-coins banawo nethi hayi for thina yabo for abangani babo awu mhlongo bhuti wami unjani ulele kahle kodwa for abangani babo hayi thina yabo yonke indawo injalo fana nokuthi ungene etawuni ayekho umuntu ozokufosta ukuthi uthenge Spar or eBox or eShoprite or ePick n Pay or eCheckers.
Why uthanda ukusniper amandlala nobunolo like uhlezi ngikhofuza kana?
Ngihlezi awa it's not always angihlali ngimdlalela mose ubunolo lo.
Ngimbona afaka iwig izolo ne-lipstick ngimcishe ngamfanisa ngathi ha
Ihlanya loli.
Dinzambra Lucas unanwa para wigi lwena.
Linda ngicela ungikhephele bhuti wami isono.
guys can you all tap DJ PMW how are you guys? You are not even tapping the screen mara nisibiza ngabo DJW BMW njani manje ningathephi iscreen ibhim engathephi iscreen ngikuruza kuphi ngamabhim
Thank you Linda.
Zimo yiboss
Lucas ke na go re
laba bathathe beyenza ibade be-traumatize bebengaziboni bona yabo bebe-caught under a spell bebe-traumatized because awuzimo yiboss omunye sikayenza so zimo yiboss
mara thedi ke
Zimo yiboss hey guys can you all tap guys mina ngizogibela la ungathephi iscreen ngimblocke ngimamblockule next year futhi ngoNovember nginjalo vele mina
Correct mana go itse jo umuntu
wangibhedela kuma-comments ngiyakublocka lingelanga engikublocke ngalo yile nyoka ngizokhunula ngalo next year hayi manje uzobe umbona emafonini wabomakhelwane or uma une-backup ethi ngayazi le backup yakho ngizokuphinda futhi ngiyiblocke
ritshe ngude ukhuphelo mmoja
sokulate for ukuncengana nabantu manje sesiya kuDisember no sasisancengani
How are you, Tabi?
phela ungenzeka ungichomele so or uzenze ngcono ngami
Queen
ungawuncamuli unyaka omusha yabo mina ngisale so angeke ungithomele
Thomas.
ke linna nasna rata ntlwena itse re no itse ra ke le
Umetsitseng Linda wena. Umetsitseng. Umetsitseng.
ke mathata fela guys mara tar bola eng guys ale no ke go mmola
Wakavulanga Linda. Linda, why are you not open?
ulinda usoma angavula ngoba iflyist yona linda wena usoma uba iflyist ngiyabulokho achoma nge-level 20 something aceda angashiyi ne-rose wona linda wena fana nomumise sengimazi
Lucas ngeke uthole next
ngiyabonga nokubonga Nkosi yami so nguwe wena ngiyaqala ukuthola i-rose nje igame iqale ngicela ungifakele idonut nokubonga ngoba ngiyaqala ukuthola i-rose
thedi ntshele ofela o itse ka
thank you nokubonga ngamaro umuntu ashayela i-breakfast thank you nokubonga ngamaro umuntu ashayela i-breakfast Nkosi yami akusizi ngibe smokulezi
Thank you mommy. Thank you so much.
Sampo uyaphila. Asitepheni guys, asitepheni. Yathepha iscreen.
Listen.
Ngiyabonga.
Manje finest wena famous le money gun yakho bekuyi-view once.
Yo nina ndiyakhuluma yazi man
guys can you all tap kuhle
I'm asking.
Zini ungamqali. Zimi ungamqali.
Yo, imessage, thank you, Cortez. Nena
Hayi
niyakhuluma.
bese noyiki jini ndimbuza inyani. Imali gani ibigone.
Yo. Yo.
imali kani ibe yi-new
I'm
year
not gifting
ibe
myself. I
yi-new
don't
year
know, guys.
iza
I don't know. I'm
kanye
not gifting myself, guys. Yo.
yazi
Yo.
i-new year iza kanye uma uqala unyaka
Mara nani, I hope nikhuluma so ukuthi like ulinda hazi ngesmoke saka view once. If nikhuluma so.
Mina famous akabo na famous akabo next week.
Awona uboneke.
Awuzunijikela uyipartner yami sisi uzothetha lento endiyithethayo yandi.
unjalo uNox inkosi yami
Awuzunijikela uyipartner yami.
unjalo nkosi yami uyajikelana nkosi yami BMW thank you the rose guys let's keep unjalo guys let's go chep unjalo ngiyakutshela
Tell your people to play now. You've been telling me nonsense. Tell your people to play.
Wait, they are coming. When they hear they'll play. Wait.
No, you don't wait. You told me now. Tell them to play now.
oh
You can't
shit
tell me after
Nokubonga
5
with the
minutes.
Donald thank you Nokubonga nkosi yami wema thank
Thank
you
you so much, Samge.
yeah net so thank you Nokubonga nkosi Nokubonga ngathi ungangishaya ama-donut kuphela my queen nkosi yami yazini ngiyatshiwa apha nditshiwa ngathi
Thank
ibhokwe
you.
nditshiwa ngathi ibhokwe emnyanyeni
Zimi, tell your people to play now.
Like
You
you
told me
really.
nonsense. Tell your people to play.
Ngiyakuzwa man.
net yazi kunjani abantu abaningi Nox, inkinga
Or-
ngeze
are-
batshela
are- are they-
bonke
are they
bangaqala
sleeping
ukukhuluma
with their
isindebele
voice?
straight
Are they
akekho
sleeping?
uzonzima
Zimi, are they sleeping now?
My friend is Ndebele.
Zimi,
Coming, they are coming. Wait.
babu,
Let me all
bismillah.
tap.
Uzungitshele manje. Like,
Kanti
you
Zimi
have to
why
say
famous
this
isibeka
show.
under pressure like abantu bethu babengafuna ukugifta benzeni.
Pressure, Tom, famous.
No, mara.
Why isibeka under pressure?
Queen uba naqalileni mara. Queen ke manga thomileng. Queen asizimi. Lucas Brayak asizimi athomileng Brayak. Asizimi bolela nnete Brayak. Asena re thomileng Brayak.
nebari Lucas ana silo ye Lucas ubroke ufeditse ka manikane ya mafelelo yingi Lucas akasidisi you Lucas ha fresh
You tell us what are fresh again. So
Hey.
talk now. Talk now. We want to hear your comments because you said that. Taru.
kanti ke yena ha fresh ba
Famous iphapiswa i-400 like I'm starting to be worried.
No,
400.
isinyampapisa. Isinyampapisa. Ke magatsa go re Zimi o boledisa ke eng o rampotse byao.
oh Nokubonga with the Donald again thank you ungiphinde futhi ngelinye futhi Nokubonga ne yeah kancane kancane
guys.
sibadla kancane sihamba kancane kancane nathi futhi Nox
Ba re botsa ka 400 taruna mara ya baja guys. Sesala.
Enoch.
Thank you.
uyasazi lesitshe sithi uzimo indrebele
Anifike ku-1000 before ning-address, please.
hayi relax Ntombo we are coming slowly by slowly relax
We are coming.
ngathi sinabo abanokubonga la sinabo abantu yabo they are still coming njengabenu kancane kancane yabo thina at least sibuya sithi faka kancane sibuye futhi manje ungasikudala siyothi fa futhi
And pra Lucas Bestal.
kutshelile
Okay,
futhi
best
with them
colour,
roses oh
Mara
lunatic
guys
how are you?
nijabuliswa okay niphapiswa
Hey,
i-526
relaxani bontombo
abantu bethu
relaxani
abafuna ukufikisa kule 500 because banizwela ubuhlungu nizokwata nizokhala
yeah
like
sesifike
nizokhala
500 seningathula ke sikhulume sodwa neyaras nyabo
Angeke
makhuthaza
ngithule mina.
Angeke
Thulani,
nisikhulise
sesifile
ngo-500.
500
Niwu-2 ngo-500. Yani 2000 ayibo.
nina musi nihlula kuya ku-30 niyi-2 mara nisakhaleli 500
Sizoya.
thina sesile nina nisaya thina sesile
Exactly. Haratumana ka babutse haratumana.
Inkinga. kanina nanifunda siphi isizulu esikolweni indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili buzani thina ukuthi kunjani phambili ifoniza sinitshele ukuthi kunjani yabo ngikutshelile Nokubonga
Wena la
ngikutshelile
wena lathi uyoze ukhuluphale ilama donut kini bekusepaka ama donut
ngithanda wona nkosi izinto ezineshukela zinikezana eneza
hayi bafuna ukusniper manje cabanga hayi
so kulate kulate we are still leading
guys bathwele hayi
oh thank you nokubonga thank you
guys
hayi fedini guys let's try to snipe nathi ngayi sniper phela akusiphe serious
you guys will never snipe us
oh shit mbalo fazijabula
liswaka ali fresh
thank you Khuthatso liwe na fresh
ali fresh
nokubonga thank you my queen Khuthatso thank you very much
ara fresh nara accept ara fresh angirle ara
hayi nami vela angisi fresh vele nami
alina ke fresh brega no ro
ana vela kinya kuba fresh na kinya kuba fresh
alina Malangar gaming ke be e tla 5 minutes 3 seconds wait
ukawara
game ya isali fresh
game ki yone saling fresh bona aba fresh
like mamela yangizwa like how fresh ntwana
I know relax
ngani wami sebashaya manje sebashaya
sikhatheke rikasibi fresh kaufela of kanjani famous rikasibi fresh kaufela thank you Khuthatso njayami ngiyabonga guys anyone with a big gift on the time too ne
like ithi ngitshele leyo line leyo ngifundiswe ngufamous mayilwane umuntu athi nca how fresh wena how fresh son ngiyawubulela how fresh ayizwa le ngufamous akeza ufamous akazi nama enemy engaki la TikTok
mina azi mina ngiyabuza ufamous yamazi uzimi do you know this lo hey Khuthatso thank you my brother yamazi uzimi Zimi do they know you dala wagcina unokusine wagcina kudala wagcina kudala unamanga wagcina kudala Khuthatso with the perfume thank you Khuthatso thank you ezimi yakhuluma uzimi
uzamfili ngami
guys can we have 2 roses to advance this people
guys ngicela ninikeze i-rose eyi-1 then
guys 2 yama rose to advance
downstairs
this thank you Khuthatso guys 1 more rose from a different person guys 1 more rose from a different person guys the rose lokugcina thank you Khuthatso with the rose guys 1 more rose from a different person
asenetwork famous usmoke yasiyana baka
guys 1 more rose bathi nami ngishaywa uvalo understand what the fuck is this
Everson high
guys on the speed ne let's try to work on the speed ne let's try to times 2 Khuthatso mlungisi thank you guys anyone with a big gift on the times 2 guys everyone on the doubles ne guys masidlala game siyancedisana as a team Khuthatso ne guys everyone on the times 2 guys everyone on the doubles bathi nami ngishaywa uvalo understand Khuthatso with them roses thank you
John
thank you Khuthatso so nguwe wedwa nkosi yami yazi abanye angazi nenzani guys ngizogibela lapho phezulu ngibloke 1 by 1 ngiyona nokubonga my queen thank you
shaluza mothi
ngitsohambile nkosi yami yabo yazi mina ngizwana ukuwina ngesquare lesicela ama donuts noma ama handouts ngithi at least ngibele ukuwina ngo100 wayo
hore mona metse something etare mona metse something before batho ba batla guys let's batho ba batla
nokubonga with your rose nkosi yami guys let's all tap
ololo baby
hey nami liyangishaya nkosi yami nokusuvalo nkosi yami hey
Skuti mfanaka mara wa recharge no mfanaka
guys can all tap the screen and share the live
Maneneng ke tlo makala go
Guys, we are only less than a minute left. Let's try to snipe this game together, Bangan Bamne. Netso, thank you, Kutatso. Guys, let's try to snipe this game together. We are only less than a minute left. Thank you, Kutatso. Thank you, Nokbonga. Guys, let's try to snipe this game together. Yes, Kutatso with a Donald. Thank you, Kutatso. Guys, everyone, somebody ngama Donald. To snipe the game ngama Donald. Guys, we are only less than 30 seconds left. Here's Wabo. Bathi nami ngishaywa uvalo angandaste zemathandweni
guys batho ba rikekile
Kutatso with a rosa phezwabo yabona mangena ku 100 kuba ngcono. Guys, we are only 15 seconds left. Can you try to snipe harder?
Guys, we can snipe this. Snipe.
Don't try. It's a small score. You can't snipe this. The score is unless you can't snipe it.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Kutatso. Ngiyabonga nokubonga Nkosi yami. Thank you to everyone. Mlungisi ngiyabonga. Thank you to everyone. Kutatso mangabe une Donald igame qala ngeDonald uqala on the speed. Iqala nje igame. Nokubonga mangabe une Donald igame qala ngeDonald bese ulandela ama rules nama friendship needs. Guys, first gift.
Let's Don't be like that, Zim.
I'm done.
Don't be like that. Zimi, don't be like that. Oh,
guys.
Nokubonga thank you.
Arabana meeting something rena.
Kutatso, yabona njengoba ufaka iglove. Before ufaka iDonald upress iglove la phezulu. Bese iglove lizoselect. Bese uselect iglove.
Beta. Sentse batho ba bona batla guys. Ba re ba demile shitse.
Le ba re yabo. You can't just put it
down. Oh, you better.
Are Cortez nek nagana re chomi na lwena wit.
Bangani bami iglove ulifaki nje. Uyakhuluma uthi guys ngineglove silibonele iplan yabo.
Induku.
Silibonele iplan.
Thank you, Cortez.
Thank you, Nokubonga. Bathi nami ngishaywa uva. Guys, when you activate this speed noma sidliwa ne.
Cortez ari ke chomi ari suri ari mara one support akaje kufela ara suri. Like it's nothing personal.
Yes.
Prince.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed ne? Oh shit, Nokubonga, thank you. Nokubonga ngicela ungiphinde ngelinye rose activate speed so nguwe wedwa Nkosi yami Kutatso uhambile. Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed?
Go spanning.
Man.
When?
Hey, that's why I kick this.
Oh, thank you, Kutatso. It's so humble. Guys, let's try to work on the speed. Aba fresh.
Fresh.
Mina even ngasi fresh. Yeah.
Lucas.
Guys, everyone.
Lavas marathon motsi e wila kanta mo gotsi.
Long time no see, be like where have you been?
Motsi aka faka manigane motsi aka re bona re buile motsi ka nnete nnetore.
Guys, everyone.
Mara tsore fresh jo.
Hey, ngiyahlolelwa Nkosi yami. Guys, can you all check? Matuna Nkosi yami. Sawubona unjani Matuna Nkosi yami? Thank you Matuna. Ali fresh luna. Ali fresh. Yezo, ali fresh. How fresh sana? How fresh? Matuna utengi no, ali fresh luna.
Babutse muhutsi babutse.
Ayisuka ngehena athe one sokusibona ba score fresh.
How fresh. Matuna ngicela baphinde ngeinye sibaphone ukuthi asithembeke ngeyi1. How fresh.
Can someone please help us? Can you tap the screen for us, please?
Guys, can you all tap? Wow, man.
Bona basikho fresh ngenxa ye-hand heart.
And abase
Awu
fresh
fresh.
ngokuthi.
Awu fresh. Batuna sophinde yinye nomatuna. Zobona kahle ukuthi awu fresh. Lamalanga nya diet yabona yonke into engiyisebenzisayo sengikhetha Nkosi yami nya diet.
Ololo simo mohodzi.
Thank you Khuthatso Nkosi yami. Thank you Nokubonga ngiyabonga Nkosi yami. Thank you Matuna Nkosi yami. Ndathi Nkosi yami ivusela inkulumo.
I-hand heart ivusela inkulumo.
Hey ngivusela inkulumo Nkosi yami. Hey.
Hello. How are you? They in the stuff room. All right.
Yeah, ngikhuluma nama-girlfriend wami. Ngikhuluma nama-girlfriend. Yeah.
Lucky baby. Lucky baby.
Hey.
Then Josini, ipheli game dikule nami.
Ndase mna ziyi-2 phelile and if aside sibatye aba ngiyawuhamba phethe nakukuphonga.
Yes. Ni smoke this. Guys can all tap. Guys first gift in it. Guys first gift in it.
Ambala Lucas.
Okay. Guys, first give this time.
Ekhala ra batho ba je. Queen re le tshela ha ka na re bila pila.
Guys first gift 20 times 2 ne. Guys first gift 20 times 2. Can you all tap? Majobe sawubona njani? Thank you for the phone.
Re ba jela ka e bozimi ka je go.
Ariso badira bapolisha no. Sisazobadla manje siyabapolisha. No raba badira chepe. Arba bese man.
Zimi oro wa dibala di luzu. Tsa lo no re ke se kae mara.
Leave me alone wena. Leave me alone.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Kuna ngizwe niphumele ngaphandle neyoba imkune ezinethwe ngamanzi ezimanzi bese nizosibona ismoke.
Ha bana ni wile.
I want to make breakfast.
It's a
Cheese, eggs, bologna, everything.
Harado. Thank you for the tips. Ololo tia. Thank you for that, man. Thank you for the Thank you for the
Bathi ingana bama 2K abakhuze. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, you are not tapping the screen and what this.
Manje ama 200 enu aphelele.
Relax Antombo.
Apha lapha.
Relax Antombo, relax.
Azar Janger.
Yeah, aba relax, aba fresh. Yes, Wazim, are fresh hello. Shiny breakfast enzima kakhulu. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? And light off. Guys, don't get us tapping the screen and share the live. Ungakhohlwa phela uze la ngizotest. Hayi. Iyogcina cabanga. Olwethu sawubona. Bheka. Yabona bekusele yipi? Ngivilaphile ukuthi ngikhiphe lokho yabo. Manje soyishiya lapha eminyango ngathi isangoma. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live or ngihambe? Azi ngabe ngiyajikisa ikhamera ngiyibhekise estofini abantu bembukele ngipheka manje angeke kulunge. Aba fresh. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, sonke na step screen share live. Unox manje sekayephi? Sekayisenda iVO. Nox. Guys, can you all tap the screen? Ngithi ngiyofaka irashini manje uyamosha isangwethu yakho. Angiyithandisisi. Nibe simple nje. Desijwayelekile ingabi nama-Russian nani na.
Guys, mara lo sniper.
Ke Vrydag le khona. Ke Vrydag. Batho abana le tšhelete ba khona u tap screen ba busy ba balana le tšhelete.
Guys, guys. Thank you guys for the match. Queenie, sharp ne.
Una stress. At least good uyatswa ka di coins wabo. Akwana withdraw good uyatswa mo.
Hayi nami ngiyavela guys.
Ayikozi. Asifuna umuntu chini.
Uzimozela kuphela manga na smoke ithi kuvela ismoke manje uzobona kuba ngathi yazindala wavuka.
No, mara like now you know kunini ngi-live.
Ungene nini ka?
Eating TikTok, it's not the easy nje zayithathile. Did you delete it? Mele course nje futhi le account.
Maxime.
Mele course nje le account. Imashini.
Accept inkosi yami angazi ukuthi ubani.
Mele course nje yona.
Come in.
Hawu mama Johnson.
Mara usihle kwenzakalani ngosihle manje?
Hey mina ngikeni bafowethu ngabe ngibuza nina mhlawumbe yabo. Nina nimazi ngcono. Nina nimazi ngcono bafowethu I don't know. Mina yaza ngazi next ngisasemusha la. Ngisasemusha kule app. Zimicabanga khona omunye umuntu omphikisayo la ngimthothi siyathandana uyaphika.
Batshela ukuthi ubaby wami. Batshela ukuthi ungubaby wami. The one and only.
Abazi ngiyabatshela ukuthi wena ubhebi wena bayala abangithembi. Futhi wena ufanele ngomunye umuntu hayi mina.
Angifuni kanjani ngawe?
Bangikala ngamehlo njengamanzi okupheka ipapa.
Bayazi ukuthi angifuni kanjani ngawe.
Abazi next. Angithi bona basibona bengama yellow bone and stuff yabo. Bacabanga ukuthi mhlambe bona bazongithatha. Kanti mina ngifunela wena.
Hayibo. Sesifike nini ngokwapha?
Hayibo ngumuntu wami ulakha uyazi lo nto.
Yini Nox khuluma. Khuluma Nox yini? Ngiyakubona ufuna ukufakaza yini? Esenzazi ngendlela engibroke ngayo senze nkohlo ukuthi Friday namhlanje.
Listen, siyobaba iblack inyana yazi.
My favorite inkosi yami yazi forever yona.
Now useli black Nox.
No. Olubona like this.
Nox ngafanelwa yiblack. Uyambona na uNox akusi. Nox asiba ndiba ama black. iBlack mangaba iphuza ngayiphuza esendlini ekamereni asivale ngengubo asaba ukuthi bembone
No ngiyozela guys.
awusihle my queen awayo angisakwazi inkosi yami ngabona abanye bogeli bethela rain dance phakathi kwamabhodlela we-brutal fruit ngasho ukuthi hey bathi bogeli nina impetha ngani nina mpetha ngani babethela rain dance phakathi kwebhodlela lani guys can hold tap inkosi yami mina ngazi ngenze or ngiblock nonke ngiqale phansi Scooby X45 how are you Scooby X45 alizwe igama lakhona X45 yeah
ngiyabonga kanyo
guys can you all tap and tap
in the next I've never been so excited.
Hayi nami ngiyothatha inephenzi makabi like
yes
joina
uyalala
ngifuna ishaya breakfast enzima kahle
ngivuke early mntase ngivuke ngo5
mina ngifuna ukushaya breakfast enzima kabi eyini breakfast ehlangane nelunch same time ha ngisahlanganisa into zakhona yabo kancane ama 1 ziyahlangana yabo 3 cheese yabo 3 cheese ngidla umntanami 3 eggs 3 eggs 3 cheese ngisahlanganisa balon you see isinkwa sikhona is ready isinkwa short uthi ngikhipha ama ration wa defrost ama vian
Lathi manje mayehamba umisodlala soyi2
yeah kanti ufuna ukudlala nami
na stress mina
akhuleka ngeke ngikushele ntombonyazi phela mina ngisiyona iclass yakho yabo wena ufuna abantu aba aha ay sengla ay ha ay sengla
udla yonke into like
mina eat everything beka angithi i2 sly ihamba necheese necanda nepalon nevian ngifakile so phakathi bese enye i2 sly njalo yabo bese ngizothikana ngizothola ngizodla 4 manje yabo bese lokhanyana yabo mangibhizi lokhu ngimemeza beka relax ntombo ngikwenza 3 for just in case lokhu ngimemeza ama rose ngismokeless angithi ngizolamba futhi bese ngiyasineka angifuni usineka ngamasimba ngifuna usineka ngesomething esolid nyana kancane bese ngithi masimba phezulu you get me
ngizobona ke ne
all right
ngibona
asidlale ke like
yes let's play inkosi yami let's play guys can you all tap uhle sonke nasitap yena ubani lo bethi invite bani kanti we awufelisha sole guys can you all tap the screen and share the live ne mafutha amagcine eshisa ngicine ngasapheka inyoso
uyazenzela noma ucela someone akwenzela
no I'm doing it for myself angizwani nokwenzelwa mina Nox angizwani nokwenzela ngithanda ukuzenzela guys can you all tap the screen and share the live mina ukudla ngiku-enjoya makwenziwe umunye umuntu ngizo-enjoya nje mara ngiba nembuzo eminingi ukuthi what if mhlambe kuwela ifinyela waqhubeka wavala ngoba ngibona ngiyabo. Serious mfethu mina nyanyanya mfethu. Mina serious. Yazi ngihlezi nginale what if noma ngidla iKFC ngisho labo sesilabo mhlambe what if mhlambe bakanwa induno yakhe ecedwa bamba le piece ngenza what if. Serious mfethu gift guest serious mina nginalento mfethu. Hey mina nyanyanya kabi ngathi kwala kunethi imvula ne kwaba namadaka mangihamba ngisherera so ngiba nale feeling yongathi nginyathele ubudede. Amfuna ukulibeka ngendlela abadlelizwa. Yabo serious nokusangazi nginjani mfethu it's just a mutual feeling. Mara ngiyacabanga ngiloyiwe mhlawumbe.
Guys ngicela ngithiphileni amanakiza amazohamba vele.
Amafutha la akachisi or yime ngakachisi. Ngicela ngiplug in. Uzimu lindrebele nkosi yami pra level thank you for the follow le. Can all tell the screen. Hey akakusala uba uDecember sidla isichebo senyanga yonke nge one day. Ngo December inyama ebra lapha yakuyibone ibeef mawuyenza isistew iviki lo
siyawayista ngo December yezo.
Awu bra 11 inkosi yami cela ungifakela ama rose amani uyakuyibona inkukhu mayibrayiwe lapha ama piece ama vors amabhure nalezi nale ekwatayo ubone seyidubuka ikhumula ivest so ayibo Ekasibhure. Phela uyazi nokubuka ama Bryston isishebo seviki lonke le.
Hayi siyamosha shem.
NgoJanuary yabo time mina ngizithandela ikhabitshi vele yazina ngizithanda inyama engidine kakhulu ngoDecember kanti awelele awubra 11 ngiyabonga ngehathi mina. Kanti ingane kwani? Amanje achisile
amafutha. Akuna.
NgoDecember niwabeke kahle amafutha evors ne. Kwenza ukuthi maso ufry ikhabishi yakho ngamafutha evors omakhelwane yabo bebe confused. Bethi vors kanti hayi. Aksivors amafutha evors. Guys can we have a rose to activate the speed ne? Guys ngicela ningivakele irose ningivulela ispeed. Ngaze ngipheka amanga la.
Thank you for the follow AD. Thank you, gifts.
Guys, can you all tap?
Guys, whatever you said now is gonna be doubled. Whatever you said now, hi Costa, welcome in. Whatever you said now is gonna be doubled. Let's go, family. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys,
Whatever you said now is gonna be tasty.
Guys, look at the screen sharing live. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Oh, Junior with the rose. Pra 11 with the rose. Guys, we are losing. Can you all tap? Junior umshaya ngama-rose amaningi pra 11 fakana ama-rose why yabo kwenza ukuthi ngashisa amaqanda fakana ama-rose amaningi
Ghosto ngicela ungisniphele mngani wami hayibo snipe well like are you around Josie?
Mina no
Which province are you
in?
I'm
not around Joburg. I'm from Mpumalanga, eMiddelburg, inkosi yami. Phakathi eMandrebeleni.
Yo, that's far.
It's not far. It's only 2 hours from la ngihlala khona to eJozi. I can do in and out for kayi-2 konke ngene eJozi ngiphume. Ngingene ngiphume ngelanga eliyi-1. It's not far, it's just nje i-distance yabo ukuthi eMiddelburg. Senjwayela ama-local ngisho ama-13 rand bani yabo. This is not local. Mina vele umuntu makafuna wonke umuntu ofuna uhlangana nami bathi around Jozi bangi-DM. Mangithi ngise-Middelburg. Ho. Bashawa luvalo ngisenjwayela ama-local ama-12 rand. Mina ngisiyi-local phela mina. uNkulunkulu wenza kahle vele wangifaka eMpumalanga. Hey bengizobangela isicefe nkosi yami abantu. Oh shit. Yes, sir. I bent myself. Fuck.
Guys, let's all tap. Let's all tap. Let's all tap. Hi, Bangoma twins. Let's see. Who's this?
Oh, fuck, cousin.
How are
Amafutha
you?
efrijini isikhathi eside liba namanzi
Thank you
yabo.
for the taps, guys. Let's all tap. Let's all tap.
Assets. Cishe ngashiza, guys, can you have, guys, everyone on the speed? Kwabona icanda lingahlala isikhathi efrijini lifoma amanzi phakathi. So mase lisha ngamafutha. Labo lokuthi pha ngathi ngama popcorn. Cishe ngashilifo. Shit. What the fuck is
No,
this?
sorry.
Oh,
Hi,
shit.
Beatrice.
Guys, can you all tap the screen? Oza sizowenza ama-video mngani wami ngila eMpumalanga eMbalele. Awula esekhunda mfethu ngiyayazi imbali enhle mawuqeda kudlula eBhetali uthi krill bese indawo zami lezo. Bese uthi embali enhle lokushini Junior ngiyabonga ngeRose. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? I know the places. I know the fucking places. I am the places. I don't know the places, but I am the places.
Guys, I need 1 rose to activate the speed.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? 1 rose, guys, to activate the speed. 1 rose, guys, 1 rose. Come on. Fake ikanda lokugcina. Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed? 1 rose. Ebathi jayiva ngababomu. I do the cooking. Oh, thank you for activating. Nkosiyami ngiyabonga mfoka njinji manqondo. Awu gift izezi, thank you ngeRose nini. Guys, can you all tap? Ningameke. Ebathi jayiva ngamabomu. Yazini isifiso sami nokusine mangithi happy kwa sengu 1 million followers.
How many followers do you have now? Let me see.
Asasemancane.
Yo.
Yep. That's me. Ngakutshela ukuthi
kusho ukuthi wena like you've got so many followers, there's a lot that you can do, yes?
There's a lot Nkosi yami. And cabanga le account yami khani ihlanganise 2.5 years ngo September. I'm still new.
Shame. Yo mara usebenzile mfethu 800
Yabona
followers.
ngakutshela ukuthi last month ne ngo bisibuya kubani ku September bengu 750 ngabatshela mina ngathi nyongeni 800 ngo-October yala bathi hey uyaloya ngathi alright bamangala wonke umuntu usebenzisana ngithi angikho into engiyisebenzisayo. I use nothing. I just kneel down and pray to God and ask him whether is it possible. Ngathi kunjalo hayi kunjalo Nkosi yami. As much as can. Yonke into esifunayo siyicela kuNkulunkulu. Nox, what's happening? Noxy, are you okay? What's happening, man? Why? Why are you vanishing away from me, man? Why are you vanishing? Why are you vanishing away, man? Why are you vanishing away? Noxy, what's happening? Are you there? Shit, let me restart also. Let me restart. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Shit. Can you all tap the screen, Kosam? Guys, when can I tap the screen sharing live? No, what is? I'm going to quarter mina, guys. Can I tap the screen? I'm going to quarter ne. I don't know na quarter ne. Tap the screen. For moi. Asal ni kwat ni quarter ne. Tap the screen for Papa. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap and screen sharing live. Guys, can you all tap with it? Guys, don't get us tap and screen sharing live, guys. Tap and screen sharing live. Send great talenting answer. I'm finishing. Ya finita. Oh yeah, yazi finito. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap and screen sharing live. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap and screen or pull guys and restart and do my things and eat and stuff. Alright, mfoka babu, right, my ways. Mistake. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap and screen and share live. Guys, can you all tap? Guys, can you all tap? Sharp my ways. I got free sawubona unjani. Guys, abantu abatap screen. Guys, don't get us tap and screen and share live. Guys, let's all tap. Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, don't get us tap and screen and share live. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Hi.
but I love
How are
like
you?
a cowboy eating. No, it's not beautiful. You know,
Hello, how are you?
I not cook.
Uyisakaza ufuna udlala igame yakukhipha. Guys, can you all tap uhle? Guys, no one is tapping the screen. Sawubona Mavezu njani?